This is AAK Car Wash, and we have this car here which has just come in from Magadi areas. Actually, what happened to this car is that it entered a ditch. So as you can see, the whole engine is filled with mud. It's actually stopped working. There's a lot of dirt inside the engine. And not only that, but let me just show you the inside of this car. You'll be shocked. We just removed the seats and literally this is what we have here. Look at the state of this carpet. So much water has entered inside here. If we look at this other side, you can just see water and mud inside this car. Now, this car has actually stopped working, so we are going to go and wash it without it working. But as you can see here, this is actually disgusting inside. You can see inside here there's water everywhere, and it's actually damaged pretty badly. So we will be doing a video on this car, and make sure you like, subscribe and comment below on what else you would like to see, and let us know how the video is for you.